Hi Pro Breeze, welcome to my home. Come on in. So I'm Sara. I am a micro property developer from South East London. I love to create clean, calm, uncluttered spaces, but that don't feel at all boring. One of the things I was adamant when I was designing this house was to have somewhere practical that we could dry clothes. So I created a drying cupboard, and it's just a cupboard that has some holes in the doors for ventilation, has some racks that you can pull out and hang clothes on. And the most important aspect of that cupboard was to put a dehumidifier in there, really sucking all of the moisture out. And then it's very easy to empty that into the sink. And it has just been probably my favourite thing in the house. Our climate is going in one direction. You know, we're getting hotter and hotter summers. What we're looking for now and what we've decided to put in is a portable air conditioning unit. And I've just got myself one from Pro Breeze, which looks good. It's not too intrusive. It's super quiet, which is obviously brilliant for our bedroom because it means it's not going to disturb our night's sleep. And it's super effective at cooling the room down. The other area that I would like to use a portable air conditioning unit is our downstairs area. So I'm really excited this summer because, you know, it's a decent sized unit, so it will really bring the temperature down in this whole open plan living, kitchen, dining space. So another slight problem area we have in the house in terms of moisture, which I think is fairly ubiquitous in most houses, is bathrooms. And it's great to know now that with the Osmo sat in there, it's just working away in the background, sucking up all of the moisture, and it's just not something I need to worry about anymore. It's been great to come across products which solve the practical problems whilst also fitting into our space and living up to, you know, what I'm looking for aesthetically as well.